to you, Jim.
Yeah, alright. I'll go first on it. A little, but not much is better.
Yeah.
Pretty good job, isn't it?
Got the WD-40.
Pretty, yeah.
Needs a bit more on it, I think, now.
It does creep, but it's a lot better.
Well, I put this on low. I'm hoping it was a cow.
I had a feeling it grown if I was into you.
Yeah.
Be a dog or something. I do find it's quite a spooky one. It's only a small one, but it is, isn't it?
I'm guessing it was a cow. Being a skeptic, you know.
Yeah, it must be, yeah. There's cows up there, isn't there?
There's no grave here.
It must be then.
1767. John Jones. Died 1798. Age 29. Here's the yew tree, I think. I'm no expert, but I think that's it. Apparently, this is a round graveyard,
Yeah, really.
so they say that it can, it possibly predates Christian time.
Quite weird, isn't it?
Yeah. Just go in a bit closer and have a look. Being shored up a little bit there. I think the buildings had a bit of remedial work done. Yeah, I don't know.
Nice, very bright light. It's pretty light.
I don't know what the horrible groan was.
They got about 4 or 5, 6 batteries going. Is it double A or is it on?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
double
I
A.
thought it would be. It's quite powerful, isn't it?
$18.22. $17.38.
Sentience, isn't it? Quite an old one, this, isn't it? These are
It is. See if that looks. That doesn't look very old.
56, isn't it?
It's amazing, it 1956, and it doesn't look very old.
It's got 6 years ago, it's not an old one, no, but it's quite a modern one, isn't it?
Yeah. 1860s. But the graveyard itself is circular.
Yeah,
So What they say is because it's circular,
Yeah.
it possibly predates Christian times.
It's like a round shape, isn't it? I know it'd be a lot of money, but if it's good in a house, it'd be lovely.
Oh yeah, they've done it lovely.
Lovely bit of picture that. It's really nice. It's very pretty, isn't it?
So I'll turn that off so I don't annoy them, but
It's really nice, lovely.
that's what James is on about. It is a lovely looking place.
Another one of the smaller water bottles is really sweet. I love these. The chewiest one, chocolates are so nice. The cream, really nice. Sean, did you want one?
No, thank you.
They're only tiny bit colours, they are.
Thank you for the offer though.
Thanks for getting them, Andrew.
No, no
We
worries,
have the
mate.
toffee ones, but I think these are the nicest. The green.
1868. Williams. Good Welsh name, that, isn't it? There's a few more over here, Jim.
We did sort of find explanations to me of that light last year, but I'm
Yes.
still a bit curious about it, but I think there probably was.
I don't know what the weird groan was though.
Obviously the cow, like I said, but I know there's cows over there, but I don't think
I'm assuming it's cows. There's the light, Jim. See the light? What, the cows aren't there? Yeah, because the cows are usually in there, aren't they?
No, yeah, about there. They have actually come to here. They've been as close as here, haven't they? About there. Last year.
Hmm.
Yeah, very close.
Very strange. I have to see if the camera picked up the unusual groan. May have done. I wonder why these stones are laying up against the wall.
They're heavy, them, aren't they?
Yeah.
Must be broken ones.
That's so hard to make out, that one. George Lewis. (1794). I think it says age 7.
The person that died, that's young, wasn't
Yeah,
he? 7, really?
I think so. It's only a babby, isn't he? Isn't there something about graves on the edge of the graveyard?
Again?
Isn't there something about graves on the edge of the graveyard, like it's something to do with they were criminals or something? I don't know. I'm not quite sure of
I've
that.
heard of that, you know. I do know it at the very edge, yes, but it's not a good sign, is it? It's not a bad sign,
Yeah.
you know, it's not a nice warm feeling, I know what you mean. You do get a bit cold, it's a bit negative, I know what you mean.
Or not buried in consecrated ground or something.
It does get a bit like that, they don't look very nice, do they, as well? I know what you're trying to say, yeah.
Again, that's another hard one to read. Late of the something. Oh, I thought that was a person with the head knocked off, but it's not. A big urn, giant urn. The midges love this light, don't they?
No lighting's out there today now, is there?
No. G.E. Davis. Bron Boynd. Howard. Is it? 1969. 1998 and 1982. 1982. It's quite a mix, isn't it? Like you've got 1982 there, 1928 here, and 17 something.
Dates are a bit messed up, aren't they? Slightly, they're
All over the place. I wonder if.
Big gap between, isn't there?
I mean, it's a bit morbid, but I wonder if they'd remove people after they've been here for a certain amount of time.
Maybe morbid do it. I know what you're trying to say, but couldn't
Yeah.
couldn't they?
I don't know, like, but there's a possibility.
It's like
Isn't
60, 70, 80 years, isn't it?
there?
Maybe 100.
No, I can't see the cows today. Certainly an unusual groan when we come here.
It looks like they have moved them, haven't they?
I think this is the newer part. These graves seem to be a bit newer. Like that one's only 1893.
1983.
1893.
What's that say? Is it IHS?
IHS, yeah. God bless them. That was in Welsh, is it? It started to peel off a bit. Marthy Bach Gwyddelwern. That'll be 1877, is it? Still going around the outskirts of the wall. Thankfully, the scariest thing I've come across are midges. Yeah, it is a circular cemetery, isn't it? So it goes round.
Is that moving in the tree hole?
Yeah, I think so. That's like a hut of some kind. See if I can get that lit up a bit.
I know I wouldn't do this, but I could knock on the house and say, right, it's a bit late, I'm a bit thirsty, I've got a nice cup of tea.
I think I can imagine the answer.
No, come on.
That one's a bit either low or snapped. 1879. 1892.
Just a trick that camera lock hand, does it? Though it takes things up and it's got a good lighting, isn't it?
The light's cracking, isn't it? Fair play.
It's bright enough, so if you need to go somewhere and it's so dark, you can see them, can't you?
Yeah.
It's a nice church, though. It's not a big church, but it's quite a nice church, isn't it?
Yeah.
An old one, it's a lovely church, isn't it?
We'll have to come back one time in the day and see if we can go in.
So,
Yeah,
no, like
I don't
afternoon,
know.
like 2 or 3 or something.
Yeah, light a candle or something, I don't know.
It's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
And this is Gwyddelwern's famous tree. There's quite a lot of gravestones plastered around it.
Never been over this bit, have we? 1872.
1888, Elizabeth Barker.
Some flowers there, aren't there?
Born 1813.
You could be stepping on them in the graves, but it's hard. You don't mean to, but you can't see them because it's so dark. The grass is quite soft, isn't it, and wet. It's nice and mushy, isn't it? You notice that?
Yeah.
It's nice, it's just wet, isn't it?
Looked after, I suppose, isn't it?
God, it's only, well, look at that, 2007. That isn't that long, is it?
No.
It's only a matter of, that's 13 years ago. It's really new, isn't it?
I suppose it's only a small village, isn't it?
The tree, and you notice the bricks round it. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Try and get a shot of the tree. Margaret Hepburn. So she's any relation to Catherine? Oh, Rianne Lloyd, only 48.
I was wondering what that is, but your phone, isn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah, the cuckoo noise is the phone.
Is this the look over here, the car park?
Is it? Oh, I think it's by that gate over there where you usually park.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? I think so, isn't it?
Yeah, we've been here before a couple of times, but never really had a camera that could pick up anything. So I thought I'd fetch the Canon and use it as a video camera.
That movie here before was a little strange. We haven't heard it since, have we?
No, that was a bit weird.
Yeah, it didn't sound like a long, long way away though, did it?
No.
Like, it's not next was but not far, within like 50, maybe 100 metres. Not like a kilometre or a mile. It's a good distance over there. It's a good mile if you were above at the top of the hill. Strange, isn't it?
I think we've come full circle now. I think
Yeah,
we're...
it'd be a big city. That's 2004. That's not so long ago, is it?
No. Here's the last view of Gwyddelwern Church. Won't hang around too long, I'm not going to wind up the poor neighbours. Wondering what the hell people go around the graveyard at night time. Probably just missed the daylight, to be honest. Just a few minutes too late, but nonetheless.
I know,